Dear students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel, Z Chemistry. I am Sheikh Zul Islam, teacher of high school channel, and today we are going to discuss about the last topic from lesson electricity, that is about electric power. Let's start with our topic. Electric power. We recently came across a lecture in which we were discussing that some substances, they allow the electric current to pass through them, whereas some substances are those which do not allow the electric current to pass through them. And during the passage of electric current, actually what happens there, the energy which is produced by the movement of this electric current, that energy is called as electrical energy, or simply these charges or these electrical charges, they are transferred from one point to another point. We can define it as either the electric energy is consumed or either the electric work is done. The work is done to take electric charges from one point to another point. Either the energy which is produced by this electric current, called as electrical energy, it is consumed. And at what rate this electrical work is done or this electrical energy is done, that is called as the electric power. We can now define it as the rate at which electric work is done or the rate at which electric energy is consumed is called as electric power of the conductor. This electric power, it can be shown like as power P is equal to W means electric work or electric energy divided by time. When there is the talk of rate, it means that certain time is consumed or the work occurs for certain time, or there occurs some time for the occurrence of this work or for the consumption of this electrical energy, means power is equal to W by T. It is the first equation. The unit of power is watt, means 1 watt is equal to the unit of work is always measured in the simplest unit is joule, and time it is 1 second. Now this electric power can also be defined as this power can also be defined as when an electric appliance, when an electric device consumes electric energy at the rate of 1 joule per second, its electric power is 1 watt. When an electric appliance consumes electric energy at a rate of 1 joule per second, its power or its electric power is said to be 1 watt. This power, it can also be showed as, or all this when this electric current it goes through any substance, there is occurrence of potential difference and it occurs for certain time. Hence we can state that this work done means W is equal to V potential difference into I current into time. Now substitute this equation, the value of this equation, the value of W in this equation first. It can be as power is equal to V into I into T divided by T. T and T will be cancelled. Power will be V into I. Hence from this we can come at a conclusion that electric power is actually equal to the potential difference across the terminals of a conductor and the current flowing through this conductor. As potential difference, it shows the voltage of the current. We can state that electric power is equal to voltage into current. Hence from this equation we come on a conclusion that electric power depends upon the potential difference across the terminals of a conductor and the current flowing through it. Electric power, its unit is watt, or we can show it as 1 watt. Potential difference as 1 volt and current as 1 ampere. Or we can state that power of an electric power of 1 watt consumed by any electric device when it is operated at a potential difference of 1 volt and a current of 1 ampere flows through it. or we can state that 1 watt is the power consumed by an electric device when it operates at a potential difference of 1 volt and a electric current of 1 ampere flows through it. There are certain other formulas for this electric power. We know from Ohm's law that at constant temperature, resistance is the ratio of potential difference and the current flowing through it, or V divided by I is equal to R, or V is equal to I into R. Substitute this value of V. We will substitute the value of V in formula. In second formula, it will be P is equal to in second formula, P is equal to I into R into I is equal to P is equal to I square into R. This is the third formula for it. Now, if we will define this, we can come across another formula. Again from Ohm's law. The Ohm's law can also be this is Ohm's law, V divided by I is equal to R, or I is equal to I is equal to V divided by R. Put this value of I in this formula second, it is P is equal to V into V divided by R, or P is equal to V square divided by R. This is the another formula. Hence, this power, it can be represented by this formula also, this formula also, this formula also, and this formula also. This electric power, it can also be defined as the electric energy consumed by any electric appliances is the product of its power rating and the time for which it is used. Or we can also define as power is the electrical energy consumed by any electric appliance is given by the power is given by the product of its power rating and the time for which this power is consumed, or E is equal to P into T. As we are going through this electric power. This electric power, it can also be shown by certain commercial units. That one of the units, that is kilowatt hour, or we can state that 1 kilowatt hour is the amount of electric energy consumed when an electric appliance having a power rating of 1 kilowatt is used for 1 hour. जब भी किसी इलेक्ट्रिक अप्लायंस जो है ये पावर कंज्यूम कैसे करेगा, ये 1 किलोवाट आवर को कंज्यूम करेगा कितने में, 1 घंटे में. देन that unit is the commercial unit of power and it's called as 1 kilowatt hour. This 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1 kilowatt for 1 hour, or 1 kilowatt is equal to, as in case of 1 kilowatt there are 1000 watt for 1 hour. As 1 watt is shown by 1 watt here, 1 watt is shown by 1 joule per 1 second, or 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1000 joule per second for 1 hour. As in case of यहाँ पे जो बात है वो सेकंड की है, तो हम इस आवर को सेकंड में चेंज करेंगे. एक घंटे में कितने मिनट है, 60 मिनट है, और 1 मिनट में कितने सेकंड है, 60 सेकंड है. 60 into 60, it means 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1000 joule per second into 60, और 1 kilowatt hour is equal to, यहाँ पे कितना आएगा, 6 into 6 में 36 को हम यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, यह आएगा 36 along with 50, 36 3 and 2 5 zeros. यहाँ इसी 1 kilowatt hour को, this 1 kilowatt hour it can be shown as 3.6 into 10 raised power 6 joule. 3.6 into 10 raised power 6 joule. या हम ये कहेंगे कि 1 किलोवाट आवर जो है ये कितना होता है, इट इज इक्वल टू 3.6 into 10 raised power 6 joule of electric energy, and this particular unit is also this 1 kilowatt hour is also called as 1 unit, and that is the unit that is used for commercial purposes for the measurement or for the consumption of this electric power or this electrical energy. That was all about today's topic. Have a nice day.